Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. Burnt bottoms, mushy tops, and rice that never tastes the same twice. A bad rice cooker can ruin even the best ingredients. We waste time babysitting the pot, scraping stuck rice, and still end up ordering takeout. What really fixes this is fuzzy logic, better heating surfaces, and smarter presets that match how you actually cook. So we tested and ranked the best rice cooker to help you choose the right one. Starting at number 5, we have the COSORI Micom rice cooker, a great option for small families or couples who want more than just plain white rice without spending premium money. At first glance, it feels compact, modern, and clearly designed to live on the counter instead of being dragged out from a cabinet every time. The controls are simple enough that you don't need to read a huge manual, but still give you much more flexibility than a basic one-button cooker. This is where it really stands out. The non-stick inner pot and auto-clean steam cycle make cleanup almost effortless. It's also not as big as some of the family-sized models here, so heavy batch cookers may find it limiting. But for an everyday upgrade from a cheap on-off cooker, it punches above its weight. The minor trade-offs are that there's no voice guide on this specific model and no app connectivity, and serious rice geeks might wish for more fine-tuned control. But if you want a compact, reliable, and affordable smart rice cooker that genuinely fixes uneven, sticky results for small households, the COSORI Micom is a very solid pick. Starting at number 4, we have the COSORI rice cooker, a great option for families that want an all-in-one grain and meal machine rather than just a rice pot. The first impression is that it feels like a mini multi-cooker, with a sleek body, big 5-quart, 10-cup capacity, and a bright LED touch display that actually walks you through what to press. It looks and feels more premium than most budget rice cookers you see in big box stores. The core benefit here is control over texture, which is exactly where most basic cookers fail. Powered by Japanese-style fuzzy logic, the COSORI monitors temperature and time through a 6-step cooking process, adjusting as it goes so your rice doesn't swing from undercooked to mushy. The trade-offs are that the interface, while helpful, has a mild learning curve, and serious minimalists may find 18 functions overkill. Still, if you're a busy household that wants a large, smart cooker that can handle rice, grains, oats, and slow-cooked dishes without juggling multiple appliances, the COSORI is a fantastic mid-range choice. Starting at number 3, we have the Zojirushi Micom rice cooker, specifically models like the NLGC series, a great option for people who care about flavor and eat rice several times a week. Your first impression is that it looks clean, compact, and very Japanese kitchen. Nothing flashy, but everything feels intentional and high quality. The control panel is simple but packed with clearly labeled menu settings. Extra features reinforce the premium feel. You get an easy-to-read LCD with clock and delay timer, a durable non-stick inner pan, a detachable inner lid for easier cleaning, plus a steaming basket, rice spatula, and measuring cup in the box. Against the simpler COSORI at number 5, it offers more refined settings and better flavor-oriented features like umami and GABA modes, but at a higher price point. Compared to our number 1 pick, though, this is the more feature-rich, do-it-all rice machine. The trade-offs: you're paying extra for technology and build quality, and there's a bit more to learn in the menu system. If you're a casual rice eater, that might be overkill, but if rice is a staple and you want it consistently delicious across multiple styles, this Zojirushi Micom range is absolutely worth being in the top 3. Starting at number 2, we have the Martha Stewart rice cooker, a great option for style-conscious home cooks who want a user-friendly, everyday cooker that still uses modern tech. The first impression is all about aesthetics. The linen white finish and simple design look more like decor than an appliance you want to hide, and the footprint suits most kitchens. It feels like something you'd actually be happy to leave out on the counter. The core benefit here is how it fixes inconsistent results without overwhelming you with settings. It uses smart fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust temperature and cooking time to match what you're cooking, so you don't end up hovering or second-guessing the water ratio as much. The minor drawbacks are that heavy rice eaters or large families may outgrow the 8-cup cooked capacity, and it doesn't have the same deep feature set for serious rice enthusiasts as the top Zojirushi models. Still, if you value design, easy operation, and solid fuzzy logic cooking for everyday rice, grains, and oats, the Martha Stewart rice cooker is a fantastic near-premium choice. Starting at number 1, we have the Zojirushi Ennis RPC 18FJ rice cooker, a great option for families and serious rice lovers who want set it and forget it simplicity with incredibly reliable results. The first impression is classic Zojirushi, a clean, rounded design in a tulip white finish that looks friendly, with a single main lever and minimal buttons. It's clearly built to be intuitive even for someone who's never used a rice cooker before. The core benefit is that it completely removes the stress of monitoring rice, especially for bigger batches. This 10-cup, 1.8-liter automatic cooker uses triple heaters in the bottom, side, and lid to surround the pot with even heat, so you don't get those half-cooked tops and burnt bottoms that plague cheaper models. You add rice and water, press the lever, and it takes care of the rest, then automatically switches to keep warm. To wrap up, each of these rice cookers solves the bad rice problem in a slightly different way, depending on how often you cook, how many people you feed, and how much control you actually want. Smaller households or beginners might prefer the simplicity of COSORI or Martha Stewart, while enthusiasts and heavy users will get more from the COSORI and Zojirushi Micom and SRPC 18FJ models. We've linked all the products in the description so you can check current prices, specs, and reviews and pick the one that fits your kitchen best. Which one are you leaning toward for your own setup?